Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using the Gaana application and seeing the error, oops, something went wrong, please try again later. Don't worry, this is usually a simple issue that you can fix in just a few minutes. So first of all, we will try to fix it with the help of the settings. So you need to go to your settings, and in your settings you need to tap on the apps option. In your apps you will see the manage apps option, so simply tap on that. Afterwards, use the search bar in the top and search for Gaana here. Once you are able to find this application, you need to just tap on it. Over here, select the option of storage and tap on the option of clear data. Then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache, you need to just reopen your Gaana application and see if the internet connection is working properly or not. If not, you can try switching between the internet connection and your Wi-Fi, because sometimes when our internet connection is not good, we face these types of problems. You can even try this trick in which you will have to swipe down your notification bar, tap on the airplane mode once and wait for 5 seconds, then tap on airplane mode again and you need to just turn it on. This will help in the improvement of your internet connection. If the problem still persists, you can try uninstalling the Gaana application and reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store, and with the help of these few simple steps you will definitely fix this issue. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, tap on the subscribe button and drop a comment if you need any further help in other applications. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.